What's going on?
You trying to get caught?
Hey.
Look, she's trying to be out. Do not push me like that.
Stop.
Do not push me like that.
Don't walk up on me.
Do not push me like that.
Okay, I'm calling the police officer. You're busting your mind.
I don't need to go to jail. You need to stand up. I don't need to go to jail. I don't need to go to jail.
On January 25th, 2023, Dayton Police Department officers responded to a domestic disturbance in Dayton, Ohio.
On scene 1102 Salem on a domestic complaint. Might be a boyfriend, girlfriend. There's somebody over there standing right there. Yeah, these hide back here.
So my girlfriend, we drunk a little bit.
Okay.
And she had her best friend come over.
Okay.
And something with her best friend, her boyfriend was going on, and my girlfriend didn't like it. So she just started like tripping out about it.
On you?
About their situation, and she took it on everybody else. And
all right.
So
you guys live together?
Nah, I'm over here a lot though.
Okay, but you don't live here?
No, I don't live here.
You guys like got kids together or anything like that?
No. And then she just tried to like fight me. Like earlier she tried to fight me. I kind of like defended myself.
Yeah.
So like she's like while we were on the phone with the police department, she was like, "Oh, who do you think they believe, the police? Because I have a busted lip and a knot on my head." Well, I was like, you were like fighting me, like trying to fight me and stuff like that.
Okay, start from the beginning. Tell me what happened.
We had a few drinks.
Okay.
Her, me, and her best friend.
Okay.
And then her best friend's boyfriend came over.
Yes.
Because they had something going on. My girlfriend didn't like it, and then she was like kind of tripped out about it and took out her anger out on everybody.
Okay.
Because she's drunk.
Yeah. So what's the physical aspect between you and your girlfriend?
Oh, she won't stop putting her hands on me.
Put her hands on you. Okay.
Yeah.
Like swinging on you, pulling on you.
Grabbing on her boyfriend and stuff like that. I got the videos.
What's your name?
You want to press charges?
Is she got something to do with this?
She's the friend. I actually spoke with her earlier. Are you wanting to press charges against her?
No, it's just that. I don't know.
What are you wanting us to do then?
So I'm just trying to get my stuff out the apartment.
Okay, so you want us to go up there, see if you can get your stuff and be done with it?
Without her trying to put her hands on me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And you guys don't live together?
No.
You have a key to get in?
I think your boyfriend's holding that door open for me.
He's what?
He's holding that door open. Who's just out here?
What's your girlfriend's?
Do you think she'll pick up to open the door at least?
She doesn't have a phone.
Thank you. Dayton Police.
Look at my face. Look at hers. Look at hers.
She just wants to get her stuff and leave. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Did you have a complaint?
I need my phone.
Where's your phone?
I don't know. Bye.
Well, I'll tell you what. You know your phone number?
Sometimes.
Well, if you tell me your phone number, I'll try calling it.
937. Oh no, I found my phone.
You found it?
Yeah.
All right, that's solved. Do you need that?
What is it?
I don't know. You were looking down.
No, I don't need that.
Okay.
Who? Is that everything? Who's her? When that happened?
Just now.
Just now? That didn't happen just now.
Just now, yeah. Don't play the victim, bitch. Don't play the victim.
Not that.
You ain't no victim, bitch. You a weird ass.
Ma'am, please. We don't need that. Do you want to press charges?
Yeah, I do.
Press charges on who?
I want to press charges on you,
Okay.
Stop.
bitch. Yeah.
Stop.
Weird ass bitch. You want to be a cop? You ain't gonna do shit.
What's going on?
You trying to be a cop?
Hey.
Look, she's trying to be out. Do not push me like that.
Stop.
Do not push me like that.
Don't walk up on me.
Do not push me like that.
Okay, I'm calling the police officer. You're busting your mind. You have lost your mind.
Oh yeah, you tripping. You're tripping.
I got handcuffs.
No.
I got cuffs.
No. This police officer is
That's okay.
got cuffs on.
No, he's tripping.
I got cuffs, yeah. I just got locked.
No, he just pushed me.
I just got locked.
Why am I getting police? He just pushed me. I don't need to go to jail.
You need to stand
I don't need to go to jail. I don't need to go to jail. No, he's not pushing me. He just pushed me to the back of the wall. He not just pushed me.
Who needs the medic?
I know.
Who called for the medic?
I know.
Do we need a medic?
I know.
We do not need a medic. I could cancel them.
Please, Bessie.
Come on.
I need something. You all wear that. And you won't test me. I'm going to jail because of your weird ass. Okay. No. I'm not going to jail. I'm not going to jail again. I was in jail for a week. You're a weird ass. Lose my number, all that shit. I swear to God, lose all that shit. You're a weird ass bitch. Kennedy Marie Williams, lose all that shit. I swear to God, leave me the fuck alone. Bro, this is weird as bro. This is weird as fuck. I've been in jail for a week now. I'm gonna go to jail for another week. Bro, like this shit weird as fuck. Sarah, do you have my
Where's the stick? Oh.
Bessie, do you have my phone? Wait,
Come on. Yeah, we got it.
Why am I going to jail for? Oh, you're weird as fuck. That's why I'm going to jail. No? Bitch, that's why.
Okay.
Yep. Why am I going to jail for?
You're
Why?
going to stop.
Why? No, you're going to ask me. No, you're going to tell me. Why the fuck am I going to jail for? Why? Why am I going to jail for?
Assaulting a police officer.
Why am I going to jail for? Why? Why? Why am I going to jail for? Why am I going to jail for?
This is mine. It don't matter. It don't matter. Hold on. Let me unlock it.
Why am I going to jail for, though? You guys didn't even tell me! Why am I going to jail for? I've been in jail for a week. I don't even give a fuck, bro. Why am I going to jail for, though?
1, 2, 3.
Slide back. Slide back for me. Slide back.
Come on.
I'm trying! Bitch, leave me alone! This thing hurts! Ouch! This thing hurts!
Is she good?
Almost.
Can you like
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, this is the weakest.
Alright. You alright?
Ow.
Yeah.
You good?
Yes, of course I did.
So,
You're pulling police department.
Don't, please.
okay,
Can you
I'll
stop?
follow you down.
84.
I'll follow you down.
Why? Why?
84.
Why?
We're just going? Alright.
Can you please tell me why?
I do not know. I just got here.
That's what I'm saying. Like, why am I going to jail for? Oh, the has a broken. Who has a bruised lip? Who has a bruised lip? Like, did they give me some shoes? Cause I knew they was like, oh yeah, you need some shoes. They didn't give me no shoes.
I don't know. You didn't have shoes when I saw you.
I'm gonna go the fuck home. White ass. I didn't do shit, bro. This bitch wanna beat on me, and I'm going to jail for what? Because she wanna beat on me? You're weird as fuck. You're a weird ass, racist ass, bitch ass. You're racist. I'm just saying, you're racist.
Not cooperative, no.
No, you bitch.
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up. Let a bitch get beat on.
Yeah, they're with me.
Shut the fuck up. I'm just bitch, I like it.
You alright? slurs.
New ones?
I mean, they're old, but they're in new order.
Oh, okay, nice. Okay.
She did say, bring it on, I like it rough, just now. She said, let's go. She said, white ass, bring it on, I like it rough. So, she's right here. Last thing she said to me was, bring it on, I like it rough.
Oh, okay. What's she arrested for?
Assault on you guys, right?
She got my arm. Let's see.
Yeah.
She got feisty.
Hey.
I don't give a oh, no! Look at my face! No, it's funny. It's real cute. No, don't touch it.
Don't even think about picking me. I ain't playing around with myself. Come on. You're either gonna come out or we're gonna pull you out. So you can walk or not.
It's real cute. How y'all get the abuser live in my house to this night.
We weren't there.
No, it don't matter.
we just
Those
need to
weird
cooperate.
ass were there.
Let's go.
You got the right one.
Yeah, right here. Taser cartridges out. Taser. Someone got
Let's examine the constitutional framework. 4 criminal charges resulted from the encounter. This analysis examines the constitutional and statutory framework governing each. The assault charge, Ohio Revised Code Section 2903.13, requires that a person knowingly cause or attempt to cause physical harm to another. The knowing mens rea standard, codified in Ohio Revised Code Section 2901.22, is satisfied when an actor is aware that their conduct will probably cause that result. A deliberate push against a uniformed officer, following an explicit verbal command to stop, satisfies this element. No serious physical injury is required under the statute. Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.33 prohibits using force to resist or interfere with a lawful arrest. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, decided by the Supreme Court in 2001, a custodial arrest for a misdemeanor offense is constitutionally valid when probable cause exists. Assault committed in an officer's presence establishes immediate probable cause. Sustained physical resistance during handcuffing independently satisfies the force element of the statute. The force employed during the arrest is analyzed under Graham v. Connor, 1989, the Supreme Court's controlling standard for law enforcement use of force. The court held that reasonableness must be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, not with the benefit of hindsight. The 3-factor test considers severity of the crime at issue, immediacy of threat to officer safety, and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting to evade arrest. All 3 factors support the officers here. The offense involved a knowing act of physical violence, and the subject had already demonstrated willingness to strike a uniformed officer. Sustained physical resistance during handcuffing is precisely what the 3rd factor addresses. Under this standard, the force employed falls within constitutional bounds. Obstructing official business, Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.31 requires a purposeful act that hampers a public official in the performance of lawful duties. Physical resistance that disrupts an active domestic violence investigation satisfies this charge, independently of the resisting arrest count. Failure to disclose personal information under Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.29 is constitutionally grounded in Hyable v. 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada. 2004, the Supreme Court held that a stop and identify statute does not violate the 5th Amendment because compelling a name alone does not constitute self-incrimination. Officers responding to a domestic violence call with a visibly injured complainant present satisfy the reasonable suspicion threshold that triggers the disclosure obligation under the statute. 4 charges were filed. Combined maximum exposure under Ohio law, 390 days incarceration, and $2,750 in fines. Final court disposition is unknown at the time of this analysis. All individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. The responding officers receive a B+. Probable cause was established by a directly witnessed assault. Officers maintained composure under sustained verbal provocation and did not manufacture retaliatory charges. Force employed throughout the arrest falls within the parameters of Graham versus Connor. The grade falls short of A- due to disorganized contact and cover execution during handcuffing, which prolonged physical resistance unnecessarily. The female subject receives a D. The physical assault on the officer was a deliberate act that initiated a cascade of 4 criminal charges. Active resistance added independent liability under Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.33. Mitigating circumstances reported intoxication and emotional distress are acknowledged but do not alter the statutory analysis. The appropriate venue to challenge a disputed arrest is a courtroom, not the arrest scene. Resistance does not vindicate a grievance, it creates new criminal liability and forfeits legal remedies. 3 legal takeaways. First, Physical contact with a law enforcement officer creates criminal exposure that verbal protest alone does not, regardless of perceived justification in the moment. Second, a Section 1983 civil rights claim under Title 42 of the United States Code, a motion to suppress, or an internal affairs complaint. These are the proper remedies for a disputed arrest. These remedies are only accessible to someone who has not compounded the incident with additional criminal charges at the scene. Third, Ohio Revised Code Section 2935.032 removes officer discretion when visible injury is documented on a domestic violence call. The trajectory of this encounter was largely determined before officers arrived. Understanding the law in advance is the only reliable protection against this outcome. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.